Hi, and welcome to another interesting lesson on this channel. In today's class, you will be learning how to make a simple bubu gown, a tea bubu gown. Very easy to make. So this is our starting line I've drawn there, and I'm marking my neck width of 3.5 inches. And from that center back, we want to take our sleeve measurement. That is what I'm marking there, and I'm adding my folding allowance. That is what I marked there. We'll have the back and the front together here. The upper one is the front, while the one beneath is the back. I'm taking my neck depth for the front. We are making a V neck here. This is it for the front neck design, which is a V neck. At the back, we are marking 1.5 for the depth, 1.5, and we are connecting it this way with a curve. We have 1.5 for the back, and we connect it this way. This is for our back neckline, and that is for our front neckline. We have V at the front. So I'm coming down by 1.5 for the shoulder slope this way because our shoulders are not straight. So I'm connecting it to the neckline this way. This is for our shoulder slope. Yes. I want to mark my sleeve opening. My sleeve opening here is 8 inches. I'll be needing 1/2 inch to join at the shoulder and 1 inch for sewing allowance. So what I'm marking there is 9.5. That is it for the sleeve opening, 9.5. So my shoulder to bust point, that is what I'm marking, plus 1/2 inch for joining at the shoulder. We have it there, and we are connecting the line this way. So for the circumference of this bubu, I'm taking my hip measurement divided by 4. I have 11 inches, and I'm adding 1 inch to it. That is the width of this bubu. We don't want it that free because we'll be having a slit. So I'm marking 12 inches plus 1 inch for sewing allowance. That is what I'm marking for the width of this bubu gown. So we're connecting it straight this way, straight to the hem line, to the length of the gown. So we'll mark the line down to the length of the gown. For the slit opening, we are marking the desired measurement here. This is for the slit, and we'll be connecting the line this way. So for our pocket opening, we want to determine where we want the pocket opening to begin or to start from. So this is it, and we want to mark the opening of the pocket. That is it. I'm marking 6 inches for it. I will draw our pocket because we'll be cutting this bubu together with the pocket. We draw in our pocket this way. I'll be making a slight curve there. Just make a slight curve this way. We'll proceed to cutting this out. We'll be cutting our back first, after which we'll be separating the two pieces. We'll separate the front from the back, and we'll cut out the front neckline. We are done cutting. We have cut out the front neckline this way. So we have the front and the back there. So we'll be using this sequence at the front neck just to give it a stylish design. So I want to determine the side that is stretching. That is the side I've folded and I've put it this way. So this is it when we are done attaching it, sewing everything together. So this is what we have here. So thank you very much for watching. Please consider to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.